Are you getting enough life insurance? 4 factors you need to consider, a vlog around life insurance and how to get the right amount. It is important that you consider your life insurance needs now, as life insurance can provide a measure of financial security for those who need it. This blog post will discuss 4 factors that need to be considered when it comes to the amount of life insurance you will need. When deciding on how much life insurance coverage you will want, there are a few things to think about: dependents, your age, length of time in the workforce and family history. It is also important to think about your financial situation and personal risk factors such as hobbies or sports that may put you at greater risk for injury or death. First and foremost, the number of dependents you will need to cover. Life insurance provides a measure of financial security for those who need it. This blog post will discuss 4 factors that need to be considered when it comes to the amount of life insurance you will need. Dependents details: the number of dependents can provide a measure of financial security for those who need it. It may be a good idea to raise the overall amount of coverage if you have a higher percentage of dependents or if there are going to be birth or other major baby events in the future. Age is important because older people are more likely to live longer. The older you are, the more years you may need to cover. It is also possible that you will be retired at some point in the future, which also makes it likely that you can leave some money to your heirs. Knowledge: the type of work that you do and your hobbies or sports that could put you at greater risk for injury or death can all play a role in determining the amount of coverage that should be purchased. If you work with chemicals, working at a factory where accidents occur may increase your chances of injury or death rather than other types of jobs where accidents are less likely. Family history: if you have a family history of the same condition as the one you are considering, it is probably safe to assume that you will also get sick at some point. This could lead to more years of illness and disability, leading to more money needed for your heirs. In the Philippines, the advisable life insurance coverage that a typical Filipino should have is at least 10 times of his annual income. For example, if you are earning at least 30,000 pesos monthly or 360,000 annually, your ideal life insurance coverage is 360,000 times 10 or 3,360,000. Said amount is the ideal amount of coverage that you should buy from your life insurance agent. There are many life insurance policies offered in the market to get that sufficient coverage. You can buy a term insurance, an example of which is philam Life's Guardian policy, since it is cheaper, or buy a variable unit linked insurance of philam life insurance called Family Secure to have insurance and investment in one policy. Let me help you decide for your case. Message me in my social media pages. Take a lot of ingat smiling face with smiling eyes.